Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Mhariam's kitchen. Now I had loads of requests from people saying, Billy, you cook loads of dishes mate, but can you cook us a fish dish? Today I chose for you guys an awesome masala scallop tikka dish here, and I'm going to show you step by step how to cook this awesome dish. Let me go through the ingredients with you guys. 8 to 9 beautiful fresh scallops, half an onion, fresh basil, 2 fresh cloves of garlic, some garden mint. You can also use the fresh mint if you want, but you can use Coleman's mint. Look at this awesome fish caviar, definitely will give you this dish a blast. Beautiful toasted whole nuts, 1 lime. If you want to use this, you can use this, but it's your preferability. There's a little bit of food coloring to make it enhance and give that vibrant color to the dish. Some clarified butter, pure butter ghee is preferable. Some fresh cream, make sure you use a good product. Some tikka paste. And this, my friend, is a little bit of onion stock that I've made, and I'll show you in my next video how to do this awesome stock that you can use in most dishes. 1 bullet chili, fresh coriander, right guys, the first thing I'm going to need to get this awesome marination is half a bullet chili. Remember the bullet chili we had before? Half a bullet chili, 1 clove of garlic. We got some beautiful basil leaf. Okay, we have a little bit, we don't need too much. We got a little bit of this onion. Look, all you need is a little bit, you don't need too much of it. And we got some whole nut over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all you're gonna need now. We're gonna give it a good whack. Okay, now guys, look what a beautiful, this smells absolutely awesome. So the next key ingredient we're going to be using is a tikka paste. So what we do, we use half a tablespoon of tikka paste and half a tablespoon of this beautiful mint. Guys, we have to give this a good mix now. So give it a good mix. Do not, whatever you do, do not throw any of the ingredient away. We are going to be using the rest for the sauce later on, and I will show you how. Give it a good mix and make sure the scallops got all this beautiful ingredient all over it. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this, already coming out, smelling already beautiful. Give it a good mix, and this looks about ready now. Look at it, when you get it all over there, it shouldn't take too long to get this mix. We are now going to be frying this in this pan. You are going to need one of these today, so make sure you have one of these ready. So guys, now that our pan is nice and hot, we are going to be using 2 tablespoons of this clarified butter. Wait for it to be a little bit hot. Make sure the butter is nice and hot before you put the scallops inside. Do not throw this away. We are going to be using this for the sauce. This is part of our sauce, so do not throw this away. Make sure you don't overdo them, and make sure it's not undercooked. Nice and brown. This is the noise you want to hear, sizzling away. Beautiful, smells gorgeous, just absolutely amazing. I love the smell of fried scallops with the tikka paste and all the garlic and the herbs. You can actually smell it from a mile off. Make sure you stay close to the dish. What you don't want to do is walk off and burn the scallops. We want this nice and beautifully cooked. So you get a Michelin style kind of cooking here. A good 3 to 5 minutes should do the business. Once they get nice and tender brown on the outside, then you know it's just about to get ready. Make sure you don't want to overcook it or burn this. Absolutely beautiful. I think this is roundabout ready now. Nice and tender brown, all glazed and still succulent. Now that our scallop is cooked, make sure it's not overdone. Put them on another plate. Bada bim, bada boom. Absolutely bad boy. Okay guys, look, all the flavors that we have over here. Do not throw this away. This is what we're going to use for our stock now. First thing we're going to do, you guys remember the stuff that we had left over? We're going to be putting this back in here. We're going to be adding 1 tablespoon, just a 1 tablespoon of the butter that we have. Give it a good mix. Make sure you get all the ingredients off the side. We don't want any burnt pieces of onion or burnt pieces of chili on the side. All of it must come out. Now we are going to be adding our fresh cream. Give it a good mix. Once it starts bubbling away, just like this guys, I need 3 tablespoons of this beautiful stock. The onion stock must go in now. Beautiful. Now do you guys remember I said to you we are going to be using a little bit. All you have to do is drop a little bit of this food coloring. You don't need to use too much, just a little bit to give it a nice beautiful vibrant color. Make it look all pretty for your girlfriend or whoever you're cooking for. Maybe you're cooking for yourself. Make it look pretty for yourself here. There's no harm in making it looking pretty for yourself, is there? No. Beautiful people, when it gets like this and you can see it getting a bit edgy on the side and it's all sort of like getting stuck to the side, make sure you keep stirring the side. Put it on really simmer now. This is a very fast, quick dish. It cooks very, very quickly. Can you see? Look, all the ingredients getting to the side. Give it a good stir over there on the side. At this stage, guys, we are going to be using our beautiful honey. Masala is a beautiful sweet dish, so we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of this beautiful clarified honey. Make sure you get the best of the honey. Going for a little bit of a tester now to make sure it's all come through together. What can I say? Every time I cook something, I challenge you guys to go and do it. Make sure you go out and get the right ingredients and do it. I promise you these are the best of the ingredients and best of the dishes. I'm cooking 5 minutes of this beautiful awesome masala sauce, and I'm going to be putting my scallops back inside now. All the scallops go back inside. Look at this, guys. It looks absolutely beautiful already, and I'm telling you, this is one awesome dish. You won't get this anywhere. I'm challenging you guys, try it. You will absolutely love this dish. It's unbelievable. The taste is great. Guys, look. When it's this thick, it's ready to be plated now. This looks absolutely beautiful and is absolutely ready. We are going to be plating this now. So let's get our garnish and our plate ready to make sure we plate this beautifully. It's nice and thick. We're gonna be plating now. Look at it. Oh my God. This is absolutely beautiful. Let's get it all down in here. Make sure you get it all out. It smells absolutely beautiful. We are gonna give it a little bit of a lime twist on the top, just to give it an extra kick there. Look at that, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Get one piece of lime, cut it in the middle, give it a nice little look there. Okay guys, look what we have here. Beautiful fish caviar, decorated beautifully on top of the scallops. We're going to be using a little bit, not too much, a little bit around the edges of this beautiful fried crispy onions. One or two beautiful pieces of coriander. Few little flakes of the whole nut over here on top. One little piece of basil leaf on the side there. And guys, just to top it up beautifully, a little bit of dash of this beautiful cream. And there you have it. This is one of the best fish dishes you'll ever get. Absolutely beautiful. The sauce is absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for watching my video, and once again guys, please subscribe to my channel because I will be making more and more awesome videos very soon. Take it easy and love to you all.